Awesome customer service. Michael Massarang really cares about helping you achieve the best results for each unique situation. I am located in the state of Minnesota, and Michael was able to do a phone consult with me regarding my crawl space issue. He took the time to listen to my situation, and came up with a plan to solve my problem with the crawl space, in a very economical way. I would highly recommend Michael Massarang. I felt he was honest with me and very knowledgeable in the field. Thank you so much for your help, Michael.